Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2015 Mazda 3 and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the air filter on the car. So this is the version with the 2-litre petrol engine and it's a nice simple job with no tools required. Now you'll notice I've already started to pop the bonnet. If you don't know how to do that, go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. Next we're going to put our hand in just above the Mazda badge and push the lever to the right. And then lift up the bonnet and we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With the bonnet safe and secure, we can just have a little look inside the engine bay. So we've obviously got some fluid top-up locations there, our main engine block here. There's our battery, fuse box and air box, and obviously our air filter is inside the air box. Now there are two clips, there's one down there, so we just pull that away, another one down there, pull that away, and I'll just set up the camera to show you how to actually remove the air filter. So this is a two-handed job, hence why I couldn't do it holding the camera, and we're just going to rock the air box like that, and it allows you to lift that up, and that then gives you enough space to actually get our air filter out of the box, which looks exactly like that. So this has actually been recently replaced, that's why it's so clean, but you'll often see there's quite a lot of leaves and debris on this side of the filter and also in the bottom of the filter box, which has also been cleaned. So make sure you get the vacuum cleaner in there and clean out any leaves. Now the filter does go with the fins facing down like that. So once you've got your new filter, just lift up the box again, put the filter in, making sure it seals all the way around. Making sure the 3 pins at the back are in, and then we do up our 2 clips at the front. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the air filter on a 2015 Mazda 3 with the 2-litre petrol engine. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.